Hey guys, today I'm going to show you one of my favorites I like to make over the summer, which is Asian barbecue chicken. Asian barbecue chicken is one of my favorite dishes to make over the summer, and my kids just love it. It's savory, slightly tangy, slightly sweet, and it's also super easy to prepare. So let's get started. To begin, I have a little over 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I'm going to slice them in half just like so. I always like to cut my chicken thighs in half because they're pretty wide and I prefer them smaller in size. If you guys are new to my channel, please hit that like and subscribe button so that you can support me to continue to share simple and delicious recipes with you guys. And now I'm going to place the chicken into a medium-sized bowl. For the marinade, I'm going to add half a cup of soy sauce. I'm using regular soy sauce here, and I'm not sure how reduced sodium soy sauce would work with this recipe. And I'm going to add 1/4 cup of rice vinegar for a little tang, 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar for a little sweetness, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which will keep the chicken nice and moist. I also did sprinkle in some black pepper. And I'm going to use my hands to make sure everything is nicely combined. Don't forget to watch this video until the end to see my son's reactions to the taste test. The combination of these flavors are so delicious and tasty. I actually used to add red pepper flakes before I had kids, but since my kids don't like spice, I have to compromise and leave it out. I'm going to go ahead and cover this and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 5 hours, but preferably overnight. Here I have my grill set to medium-high and I'm ready to grill the chicken. Quick story about this grill. I had to buy a new grill since my other one was breaking down, and I wasn't used to this new one, which gets really hot when it's set on high. And the first time I grilled on it, I realized the heat was a little extreme compared to my old one. But I just continued to cook and went about my day. Later, I looked in the mirror and I realized my baby hairs on the top of my head were fried. I started screaming and panicking bloody murder, and my husband came to the rescue, grabbing scissors and cutting off the burnt edges of my hair. But on the bright side, at least my eyebrows and eyelashes were still intact. So note to self, when using this grill, set it to medium-high, not high, and wear a hat while I'm cooking. So while filming this video, I am currently wearing a hat to protect my hair. Also, if you like this recipe, I know you would like my Hawaiian HULI chicken recipe. I'll leave a link below for you guys to check it out, as well as the full written recipe for this one. So back to the chicken, I cooked it for about 6 minutes per side, and it's looking good and we're ready to eat. I usually like to serve this dish with some steamed rice and maybe some corn on the cob, or I'll even cook up some frozen corn. It is lunchtime right now and my kids are excited.
Hello. Alright, let's give this a try. Wait. It's okay, you can eat it. What do you think?
It's really good.
Okay, wait.
And I forgot. It's super good.
You're gonna eat a piece. Okay. Oh, okay. Motherhood. Okay. Ready? Cheers, you guys. 1, 2, 3, and cheers. Salty, sweet, tangy, tender,
And delicious.
all the good stuff.
And delicious.
I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.